I need to do an intro. Hey, yo, what's good, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so today we got a different kind of one. We're gonna be riding a trail. I'm not really sure what we're gonna be doing on this shit. Oh, what? It seems like it's gonna be some fun, you know what I'm saying? So, wanna try it? Me and Jay are gonna explore this trail. Ooh, there's a pup. Oh. Yo, you good, bro? Yo, you triggered that dog. Yeah, this is like the busiest part of the trail I saw. And then it kind of opens up after this. What gear you in?
Wait a minute.
Looks like you were sitting in a seat, bro. Yeah. I mean, like, I'm just chilling. It's so much fun. Why didn't I start doing wheelies earlier? Yeah, I should have been on it for a while. It's crazy that there's so many people walk on it no matter how close it is. There's somebody every 100 yards. Like, this is a cool trail, but it's pretty packed. Let's go. Oh, I think I popped my tire. It feels crazy low. That was fun. Oh yeah, my tires are low. I don't think they're flat, but I think they lost some air on the truck. This is back where we started the video, so I guess this is where we're gonna end the video. So that was this trail for y'all. I mean, it was pretty fun. We got a little amusement park style things right here, and then, you know, we got that big old thing there. We got some trails back there and some scenic views, and yo, I hope y'all enjoyed it. So y'all stay easy, y'all be easy, and peace. You have a good day. He's living his best life right now. Facts.